Good morning, children. After the session of helping verbs, now we are going to do the exercise in our textbook. So, everybody open your textbook, page number 37. Chapter 5, helping verb. Let's do. Read this conversation, underline all the verbs. Read this conversation, underline all the verbs. Now we'll see what this exercise is about. Okay. Anish, Mom, what are the 4 basic elements in nature? What are the 4 basic elements in nature? Our teacher has given this as homework. Here you can see, here Anish is talking with his mother and is asking what are the 4 basic elements in nature, and our teacher has given this as homework. Mom, you know them. Anish, just try to remember them. Here the mom is forcing Anish, just try to remember, you already know it. Anish, alright mom, let's see. Air, fire, soil and he's still thinking. He gave what he knew about it. Air, fire and soil. Mom, and as Anish cannot remember the 4 elements, mom gives a hint. Mom, what do you wash your hands with? Here the mother is asking Anish the element. He remembered only 3, 4th one was missing. So his mother is asking again Anish, what is the 4th element? So mom is giving a hint. The mom is saying, what do you wash your hands with? Anish, I get it. So here Anish got it. He is saying so. So over here now we underline all the verbs. Mom, we have read the conversation. Now we will underline all the verbs over here. The verbs are, Mom, what are the 4 basic elements in nature? So ARER is the element. So you can see ARER we have underlined. What teacher has. Has is also a verb. So has is underlined. Given this as a homework. Mom, you know. So know is a verb. So underline no. Just try to remember them. So try is a verb. So that also we have underlined. Alright mom, let's see. Air, fire, soil and still it is a confusion. Mom, and as Anish cannot. Cannot is also a verb. Remember also underline. The 4th element gives a hint. Gives is also a verb. So gives a hint. What do you wash your hands with? So wash is also a verb. I get it. Get is also a verb. So we have underlined all the verbs. Now write down all the verbs over here in the blanks. So 1 ARER, has, KNOW no, TRY try, CANNOT cannot, REMEMBER remember, GIVES gives, WASH wash, GET get. So all these verbs which we have underlined in the passage in the conversation we have written over here. Now we'll go to the next page. Let's practice. Let's practice over this question. Circle the words that are not helping verbs in each row. One has been done for you. What we have to do? We have to circle the verbs but which are not helping verbs. Remember that. A. CAN, SHALL shall, SAY say, WILL will. So say, SAY say is not an helping verb. B. So say we have circle over here. WERE where, at, at, being, being, be. So what is over here the helping verb? At. What is the helping verb over here? At. So we will circle at at. We have circle at at. C. Do, do, did, shall, shall, done, done. So what is over here helping word? Done, done. Has, has, had, on, could. So on is a helping verb. We have to circle done is not a helping verb. On is also not an helping verb. At is also not a helping verb. We have to circle the words that are not helping verbs. Do, am, have, it, eat. So it is not a helping verb. Now F. Is, am, where. So where is not a helping verb. Been, been, what, should. So what is not a helping verb? When, should. Is does, does. So when is underline circle. Will, will, can, shall, then. So then circle the word could, of, has, are. So of is not a helping verb. Now we'll look at the down exercise. Underline the helping verbs in the sentences given below. Notice how the helping verbs express past time and present time. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं, हमें वो महसूस करना है कि वो जो सेंटेंसेस है वो पास्ट टेंस के हैं या प्रेजेंट टेंस के हैं, वो हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं जो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब पे अंडरलाइन करेंगे. वो क्या एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, हमें बताते हैं कि वो प्रेजेंट टेंस है या पास्ट टेंस है. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? ओके. I am visiting my uncle now. So am visiting my uncle now. Now is what over here? It is telling about just now. So it is a present tense. We are going for a picnic in his car. So are is what? A helping verb. That is present or past tense. We are going for a picnic in his car. So it is telling that they are leaving for the picnic in the car. So it is a present. Now see, my cousins have come with us. So see is what? Have, have. So have we have underlined. We have underlined at have. So have is what? A past tense. My cousins have come with us. वो लोग हमारे साथ आए हैं. D. My aunt was not coming with us. So D is also past time. So you will write PA. D is also a past time. So DEWAS was is also a. It is not a present time, it is a past time. So we have written PA for D. E. We are overjoyed that we could convince her to come. So over here what it is? We are. Over here E exercise ARER is what? Present time. It is talking about just now. We are overjoyed that we could convince her to come. F. She can tell funny story. So F is what? Present time. You can see over it is underlined. G. She does not know how to play Chinese checkers. So G is what? Present time only. She does not. What you talking about just now? Cousin Mona says, I have taught many how to play Chinese checkers. So H1 is what? past time. It is have, have, so it is talking about past time. She says, who is going to drive the car if I play? So who is? Is what? It is talking about the present time. So we will write is over here. Okay children, now you can see over here. Write PR for the present time and PA for the past time for the sentences in question 2. These questions we had read over here. See. 1. Underline the helping verbs. This question we had done, right? Now over here the blanks are given. Now we have to write it is present time or past time. So A sentence was what? It was talking about present time. Even B was also talking about present time. C is past time. My cousins have come, saying it had come. D is also a past time. My aunt was not coming with us. E, we are overjoyed. So PR is present time. We are talking about present time. Then F, she can tell funny stories. So again present time. Then G, she does not know how to play Chinese checkers. So that is also present time. PA, she says, who is going to drive that car? H, cousin Mona says, I've taught many how to play Chinese checkers. So H is what? Present past time. And I is what? It is talking about present time. Now we'll go to the another exercise. The exercise is, we'll go to another exercise. Let's practice. Read the puzzles and the answers given below. As you read, circle the helping verbs. We have to circle the helping verbs. What can happen if you jump into the Black Sea? You can drown. So this is a puzzle and answer the given below. So as you read, circle the helping verbs. We have to circle the helping verbs. So see and can, hear and can hear. These are helping verbs. B, how can you drop a raw egg on a floor without cracking it? Floors are too hard to crack. So can and are is helping verb. How do elephant get wrinkled knees? Do is also a helping verb. You circle. Why didn't the skeleton go to the party? Because he had nobody to go with. So did not and had. These both are what? They both are helping verbs which we have circled. So in this what we have circled children? A number C and can, B number C and can and ARER, C number D or do, D number did not and had. Now we will go to the next page. Which side of the chicken has the most feathers? The outside. Here nothing is there, so we have not circled. F, how do you stop an elephant from smelling? Tie a knot on in his trunk. See, you can see that knot has been tied on the trunk. So D or do is helping verb. G, why did the dog wag its tail? Because no one would do it for him. So DID did and WOULD would. These both are helping verbs. Now we'll do this exercise. Rewrite these sentences using the shortened form of not with the helping verbs. We have to write the sentences. We should not shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. So over here should not. We have shortened it into should not. You can see over here should not is written in full. But what we have written over here? SHOULD should, N and comma T. So it becomes should not. Shout in class, but one can shout at the picnic. Now second, my aunt could not play Chinese checkers. Over here could not is there. We have to write the short form of could not. So my aunt could not. You can see COULD and apostrophe is there T. So it becomes shortcut of could not ka could not play Chinese checkers. So we've written could not over here. We are not happy with the high temperature of the summer. So here you can see are not. So we have written over here AREN and comma T are not happy with the high temperature of the summer. So you can see over here are not, have written the short form of are not. Will not over here, will you not have the sandwiches. So over here will you not. So over here what we have to do, will not ka we have made won't, WON comma T apostrophe T. So it is won't you have a sandwiches. My uncle did not want to drive the car. So here did not is there. So what will you write the answer? My uncle did not want to drive the car. So over here did not ka how we have written DIDN apostrophe and T did not. Is he coming for the picnic? Is he not coming for the picnic? So isn't he coming for the picnic? Over here is not. Is he not? We've written a short form of ISN and apostrophe and T. So it becomes is not. I cannot run as fast as my cousin. So I can't. CANT can't run as fast as my cousin. So cannot ka we have made can't. Does she not with prizes in races every year? So does she not? So we have made short form of does she not is doesn't. She win prizes in races every year. The question is what? Does she not win prizes in races every year? So does she not ka does not we have made a short form. I could not carry the picnic basket alone. So I could not. So what I have written, I couldn't carry the picnic basket alone. Aunt said the basket is not too heavy for the two of you to carry. So over here what we have to do, Aunt said the basket is not too heavy for the two of you to carry. So over here what we have done, is not ka is not, over here short form we have written over here is not. Okay children, so you have to follow the short form of should not. Over here we have written the short form of should not. Shorten the form. So should not with the helping verbs. Could not, we are not, will you not, did not, is he not, I cannot, does she not, I could not, and is not. All these are the short forms of the helping verbs. We have to write in the sentences making it with correct form. So I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to complete it in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. You have to complete this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.